This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Matt Wood. Charming home. Minutes from Rhodes College and Sam Cooper Boulevard. Original hardwood floors. Updated kitchen with maple cabinets, stainless steel appliances and gas cooking. Central heat and air. Fenced yard with deck. Renovated bath. Washer, dryer and refrigerator provided. Ready for occupancy. Credit score of 600 or above. Rental application and credit report approval required. Security deposit required equal to 1 month's rent. For more information, review the details below or contact Matt Wood at 901-861-4808.